Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have the next view, which is called as water's view. Right, in the water's view, so this is the water's view. So water's view is actually an occipito from the occipit mental. So this is an occipitomental position, and in this water's view we can see the presence of maxillary sinuses and the floor of the orbit. Maxillary sinuses and the floor of the orbit are visualized by this water's view.
thank you and thank you for watching.